The topic of today's video is how to add a bank to your Webull account. So here we are on the Webull app, and if you need to add your bank account, all you need to do is navigate to transfers right on the top here. And then we want to click on withdraw. And then we need to choose USD or AUD. And then we'll have this option here to add a bank account. Now the bank account must be in your name, and then you can add all the other details from your bank account. Keep in mind, this must be a US bank account. And when you scroll down here, you'll see you can upload proof. So valid bank statements, documents that have your full name, your SWIFT codes, and so forth, as well as your bank name. And when you are done there, all you need to do is hit submit, and they will authorize your bank account. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.